Hello dear students, I am Prabhat Dubey, your B.St teacher from LPM Public School, Gola Bazaar. Today we are going to discuss the paper of B.St, which is made for this unit test first, which is going to be held tomorrow. So we need to discuss the questions, and if there are any printing mistakes, we will try to correct it. So we will start this question paper analysis of your B.St paper. So if you are having your papers, okay, so keep it in your hand and correct all the mistakes that are present in your paper, if any. So question number 1, choose the best alternative from given below MCQs. There are 5 multiple choice questions, MCQs. Come to the first question from MCQ section. A good manager focuses on. Here you have to make a correction in on. O is written in capital form. Correct it. You have to write O in small form. The options are correct. Prosperity of management, prosperity of employees, prosperity of both or none. Okay. Second question, coordination is. What is coordination? Options are a function of management, an essence of management, parts of management, or none. So you have to answer what is coordination. Question number 3. Which function of management answers work accomplishment as per plan? Okay, so you have to choose the best alternative. Which function of management answers work accomplishment as per plan? Okay, this is from chapter first. Next question number 4. Here one correction is to be made. In the first line, the principle of management, after that on is written. Okay, you have to eliminate on, write can. The principle of management can be. Okay, so replace on with can. We change according to the prevailing situation in organization. This shows that management principles are flexible, behavioral. In behavioral, after BE there is a gap. You don't need that gap. It is a printing mistake. So correct that. Behavioral, scientific, and universal. These are the 4 options. Choose the best. In the last MCQ, to exploit fully the growth potential of the organization, management is. Here a printing mistake is there. Tilting is written over here. You have to replace tilting with talking. Okay, so write talking at the place of tilting. Talking about which objective? Social, personal, organizational, or economic? Choose the best. Okay. Now come to the second question, that is from true and false segment. Here 5 statements are given. You have to mark true or false. First one is management is a single activity. Second one, management is used only in business organizations. Third one, management is dynamic. Fourth one, management principles can be formed overnight. Full stop. Last one is management principles. Here a correction is required. After management principles, after is written. Replace after with offer. O-F-F-E-R. You have to write offer. This is question number 2. And this is 5th question. 5th. Here you have to replace after. After is to be eliminated, and you have to write offer. Offer is correct. This is correct. Write down in your paper. Okay. Question 2, 5th question. True and false, last one. Okay. Now come to the question number 3. Answer the given questions in very short. Short answer type questions are there. Define management. Here a question is repeated. Management is considered pervasive, and why management is considered pervasive. So you don't need to write 2 answers. Okay, I will give you proper marks. So you have to write a single answer. Okay, write in some elaborate manner, and I will give you 6 marks. This question will fetch you 6 marks. Okay. 4th one, define the term coordination. Now 4th will become 3rd. 4th one is, how do the principles of management help managers in taking decisions scientifically? Here question mark is to be added. Last question, Why is management considered a multi-faceted concept? Here, multi-faceted is printing mistake. I am writing over here question number 3. Sixth question, sixth one last. Replace multi-faceted with multi-faceted. This one is to be added. It means that management carries multiple faces. Okay, so replace that printing mistake with multifaceted. Now come to the fourth one, short answer type questions. Here, a set of 5 questions are there. First one, discuss the basic features of management as profession. Second one, define any 2 important characteristics of management. This question is very clear. Third one, explain management as an art. Okay, no problem in all these questions. In the question number 4, state any these. Replace these with 3. You have to write 3 functions of top level management. Fourth one is being corrected. Replace these with 3. Fifth one, comment on management as a profession. Okay. Last one, management is a series of continuous. Continuous is wrong. You have to write continuous. So replace continuous with continuous. Management is a series of continuous interrelated functions. Comment. After functions you have to put full stop, then comment. Last, detailed answer questions. 48 marks, 8 questions, 6 marks for each question. Here first one is management is critical ingredient of nation's growth. Comment. Okay, after growth there is full stop. Second question, describe the multi-dimensional. It is not multi-dimension, it is multi-dimensional. Add AL after dimension. This correction is required in question number 5, second question. Question number 3, explain any 5 points of importance of management. In question number 4, a coordination is to be written. A correction is required. What is meant by here? You have to write C at the place of W. Coordination, it is coordination. One correction is required in the 4th question of 5th detailed answer questions. And 5th question of this detailed answer questions, differentiates. You have to write differentiate. Okay, so replace S. Between efficiency and effectiveness with suitable examples. 6th question, management is both science as well as. Okay, as well as an art. One correction is required in 6th one. Replace will with well. 7th, lack of proper management results in wastage of time, money and effort. Explain. Last one, explain features of management. You have to eliminate principles of features of management. You have to write down. So there are several corrections, printing mistakes. So I think this paper is clear to you all. If anybody is having any problem after even this discussion, you can contact me on my WhatsApp number.